Hey, this is my review for the Skinny Mixes Vanilla Bean Pumpkin Syrup. It has 0 calories, 0 sugar. You can see these are the nutritional facts. It basically hardly has anything. It's just almost everything is 0. So it's great if you're looking to avoid the sugar. You can put it in coffee, latte, yogurt, baking, protein shakes, cappuccinos, basically any type of coffee you want to put in it, or other protein shakes, things like that, to give it some flavor. That's what you want to use it for, is the top. And be very careful pouring it because it doesn't have like a little, stopper here. It's just like you just pour it straight up like that. So it's great, tastes good, especially right now I'm filming in this is December 1st. So, it's like the seasonal flavor for this. So definitely check it out and hope you enjoy it.